So, welcome children in this third video on chapter 6, more on spreadsheets. Now, today we have to start this chapter from using autofill feature. Now, children, you also open page number 72 of your books where we are starting this chapter today. And children, the feature we are going to learn of a spreadsheet is using autofill feature. Now, children, Excel provides a wonderful feature called autofill to fill a range of cells with a series of data without typing in it. It is the easiest method to fill data quickly and automatically in the worksheet cells. So select the cell which contains the data, let us say B1 containing January. As you can see in this example, so we enter January in the cell B1. And now children, we position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell which is B1. Now we see that the mouse pointer changes to a plus sign, and this plus sign children is called the fill handler. So when this mouse pointer changes to a plus sign, we call it a fill pointer. Now we hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle across the cell that you want to fill, say up to B5. And the moment we release the button, children, automatically the months for February, March, April, May will come. If you continue this still further, the other months will come, and you don't have to enter the other entries. The other entries are coming automatically. So children, the tips are that you can, even if the source cell pointer contains text, a number, a formula, a day or a month, the autofill feature copies the data from the source cell to the destination cell. So if it does not recognize any relation, then that data gets copied onto the following cells. And children, in case of numbers, if you type two numbers, say in cell B1 you type 1 and in cell B2 you type 2, and then you drag this, then you can say that the other numbers start coming, which is the difference between 1 and 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6 will start coming. And children, if you enter 2 in B6 and 4 in 2 in B1 and 4 in B2, and then you start doing this autofill feature, then children, the numbers will start coming as 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So it recognizes the relationship between the number and start displaying the other numbers, and if it does not find a relation, it enters the same number in the following cells where you are entering. Now children, we come to the next topic, that is custom list. Now children, custom list, basically this list helps in defining the user defined list. The user can define any list and he can store it in the computer, and whenever required he can use that list of data to enter values in his worksheet. So custom list help in defining the user defined list. This saves time and reduces errors. You can create custom list in two ways, either by typing in the values in the custom list box or by importing from the range of cells. Let us understand it practically. Now children, creating a list by typing values, click on the options present in the file tab. The Excel option dialog box appears. Select the advanced option from the left pane of the dialog box. And children, this is given on the next page. You can see the figure. You first select the advanced, then you click on the edit custom list option, and then children, the in the right pane under general section, click on edit custom list button. The custom list dialog box appears. Select new list in the custom list option list box, and then type the entries in the list entries box. Let us say the names of 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Press enter after each entry. And when the list is complete, children, click on the add button. The list gets added in the custom list box. Now click OK. You will get back to the Excel option dialog box, click OK to close it. Now children, when we move on to this, the figure to create the Excel uh, custom list is given over here. What we do children, we first press this advanced option which is present in the Excel option dialog box. Then we press the edit custom list which is present, and then children this next screen which is there comes, and when where new list is given, where we can create a list of our choice, and once we create the list we can store it for our later use. Now children, creating list by importing. In the custom list dialog box, specify or select cell referencing containing list of items in the import list from cell box cell box, and click on the import button. The list items will be added in the custom list box. Click on OK twice on each dialog box to close them one by one. To import the list of items to import the list of items should already be present in a worksheet. So children, basically it is a user defined list which a user can make and store it, and anytime, any number of time he can import that list in his worksheet. So it is going to reduce his errors also, and it is going to save his time also. Now children, we come to the next that is the recap of this chapter. So there are few points which are there to make entry as of digits as text, as we have seen in the code of Delhi 011. We cannot enter 0 in before the number, so you have to begin the entry with an apostrophe that changes it into text. The appearance of date and time on the worksheet depends on the number format applied to the cell. And third point is children, by default you can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. Next is the cell content can also be modified using F2 key. Then next is to copy, cut and paste the data. We can use the shortcut keys Control C for copy, Control X for cut and Control V for paste, and these combinations can be used for doing these tasks. Then autofill is the easiest method uh, to fill a range of cells with a series of data without typing in it. Then custom list helps in defining user defined list that can save time and reduce errors in the program. So children, here we have completed this chapter. You just go through this chapter, and the children question answers I am going to send you as a PDF file, and you will have to copy down those questions and all the exercises, fill in the blanks, true false, multiple choice questions, all the questions in the note copy. And please go through this chapter. Whatever problems are there, we are going to discuss it in the period. Thank you very much.